You can make so much money and lose so much money. Once you truly understand this 2.0111, which is what we call a lot size. Now, a lot size is just this number here that we use for buy or for sell. Now, this lot size is like a multiplier. It multiplies how much money you can make, profit, how much money you can lose, loss, which is what it costs us to actually trade Forex, and how much money you will need for you to actually open this buy 11111 or buy 2.0. Now, this is what you will need to actually understand when it comes to trading Forex or any financial market, so that you can be able to make money and not make those mistakes that beginners or advanced traders they keep making. Now, we go to section codes. All right, we see all the assets that we have that we can actually trade, buy and sell, and each and every asset has its own what minimum lot size and maximum lot size that is set by the broker. If we go to, this is Android Vision, we go to codes, we see our assets. You can also add more assets here, and you can also add more assets here when you have the iPhone Vision. So now we are looking at this asset that we're trading. This is volatility 100, which is an indexes, and that is actually offered by one broker that I use. So you must make sure that you go to our YouTube channel if you do not have a trading account. Now, this is volatility 75. All right. If we tap here, you'll be able to see properties. This is where you'll be able to see the minimum volume. You tap, you press once, and you scroll all the way down. You'll be able to see what we call minimum volume and maximum volume. So make sure that you understand that correctly, and you do not make the mistakes of opening lot size that are actually that will make you lose money. I know traders, they make the mistakes. I've made those mistakes too. So please stay away and make sure that you learn. So if you scroll all the way down, you'll be able to see, if we tap here on volatility 100, this is iPhone Vision at Trader 5. We go to details. On details, we scroll all the way down until we see what minimum volume. You can see the minimum volume here is 1, maximum volume is 330, and minimum volume here is it's actually 0.001, and maximum volume is 15. So you got to pay attention to understanding what we are using in terms of when we press buy and press sell. So it's important to understand a lot size. So I've mentioned that lot size is a multiplier. Let's cancel that. Let's go back even here. Lot size is a multiplier that multiply how much money you can make, how much money you can lose, how much money you need. These three things are very important. So pay attention so that you can actually learn or share the information with you. Now with a lot size, okay, a lot size, one, we are looking at what the costs, which is a stop loss. All right, we can put SL. And number two, we're looking at profit, okay, which is TP, profit, how much money you can make. And number three, we are looking at how much money you need, okay, how much money you need. Now, this lot size on the number of volume, automatically this app will do it for you, so you don't have to do much of work. All that you have to do is make sure that you execute the trade, but you understand how much money you have. So now let's go to a trade section and explain some of the things in terms of the costs, the profit, and money needed. But let's start with how much money you need, all right? Because that's very important to understand. Now, we press buy is 2.00. The margin here, you can see we needed 89. This 89.57, it's in dollars because of the account here, it's USD. This account is a US dollar account that I'm using here. So that means that I needed only 89.57, but it doesn't mean that I have to deposit $89 in the account. It just simply means that I need what? I need the 89. Now, when you get to the costs, the stop loss, the free margin is what we use when we set a stop loss. Now, that might be tricky to understand. Let me explain. Let's go to chart. All right. This is actually where we've made a buy. And if we tap here, if we tap there, you'll be able to see this section here. If we press the SL, you'll be able to see if we can actually move it like that. We can zoom in for you to see. All right, now we've zoomed in, you can see how much money we can actually lose there. You can see we can adjust how much money we want to actually lose based on the strategy that we are applying. All right. I know this is hedge for time frame, and we're not here to actually learn about the strategy. We're here to understand the lot size. So if you would like to actually learn about the strategy, the Bozza strategy that I share on my channel, please make sure that you go to our YouTube channel. Now you can see the point here. This is actually 23.54.8. This is how much money we are actually losing, because if you times this by the 2, you get this. All right. So the app will automatically do this for you. You don't have to do much work. All that you have to do is just understand that if you can use this feature, you can actually determine where you can set a stop loss. Because if you like to set a stop loss here and you like to lose $142, or you like to lose, let's say, $600, you can see now how much money we needed and how much it cost us. This is the cost based on the points. The points, we have another tutorial whereby I teach you how to understand the points. What are points? What are we talking about? Right? These points, yeah, we use this point, or the platform uses this point to calculate how much money you can lose, how much money you can make. This is a buy, stop loss is below. If we tap the TP here, the take profit is going to be above. This is how much money we are expecting to actually make in terms of profit. So I trust you understand. So it's important to make sure that you edit the lot size. You do not make the mistake of just applying a lot size if you do not understand how it actually works. All right, I trust you understand. Now, the costs, there are so many things that goes into costs. All right, how the platform counts, but that should not be a problem for you, because automatically the app will count for you. You have to use demo. Make sure that you have a demo account and you have a real account. You don't have to open two profile account, but you just have to open one account. Once you have that account, then you can be able to use the lot size. Because I've seen that traders, some of them, they'll be scared to, let's add the NASDAQ, which is US Tech. US Tech, they'll be using the US Tech. Okay, it's the US Tech. All right, this is NAS 100. All right, this is NAS 100. When you scroll all the way down, you can tap here. You can tap on details, and some traders, they are wondering what's happening here with the minimum volume. Now, when we're trading what we call the contracts. This is what we actually trade, this contract thing here, which is called contract size. All right, this is what we actually trading. We're buying units, we're selling units. So the units are counted based on what the lot size, then they'll be actually multiplied by the current price, and then you'll get the actual money that you need. Then the broker will give you what we call a leverage to divide that actual money that you need, so that you can be able to trade with less money. But when it comes to the risk, you've got to understand where you set the stop loss and where you set actually a take profit, and what kind of a strategy are you applying based on the time frame that you're actually using. So now, I trust you understand what the lot size. So if you look at the contract size, you see some a NASDAQ. NASDAQ doesn't have many brokers. They offer NASDAQ in different contract size, right? Some they offer at 30, some they offer at 100, some they offer at different contract sizes. But so do not panic when you see the same asset, but you see a different minimum volume or maximum volume. So a volume, it's a multiplier. Think of it like you're adding or you're subtracting. That is simple and easy to understand. So this is where we actually make money, and this is where we actually lose money. Now we are still in a profit of $600 here, and we're expecting at least $2,000. But anyway, the market for the currencies commodity is closed today. It's weekend, so don't panic when you go to chart. We tap once, we go to chart, and we press this icon over here. We see the buy, we see the sell, and we can actually press here and edit by actually editing using these numbers here. So we can edit 0.01, one standard lot, but we make sure that you have enough money, because some of the traders, they experience something like not enough money, not understanding what they really need to do. So if you are actually experiencing that error, it's just simple to understand that it's because of what? You have less money. You can see here on margin, I needed $2. It doesn't mean that I have to deposit $2, because you saw that we were losing around 30 something dollars here, $28 here, which means we were not going to actually what? We were not going to be in profit now. The account will blow, all right? So make sure you pay attention to the lot size. All right, I trust you understand. And for those who are actually looking to go to our YouTube channel and open their trading account. You can do so. Our YouTube channel called Bozza Trader. Just that the internet connection is kind of low, so I won't be able to actually. But then you can search the channel there. It's there on YouTube. So make sure that you do that. I trust you'll be able to have a better understanding of what you need to do. So I trust you understand, and that's all. Stay blessed.